Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mostly beauty videos, a little bit of fashion, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today's video is going to be all about summer vacation fragrances. I do have quite a few that just gives me the vibes of being by water or either being outside or relaxation. Every single fragrance that I mentioned today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So yeah, if you want to see my summer vacation fragrance recommendations, then keep on watching. So first fragrance we're going to briefly speak on is Rose Elixir. Now I talked about this I think in my last video, so I'm just going to briefly touch on it. You guys, this is a powdery fruity fragrance. This is a nice one, you guys. It's fruity from raspberry and peach, so it has those touches in there, but it's also really floral. It has rose in here, and the opening is bright and a bit citrusy from the bergamot. This is one of those fragrances when you first smell it, it gives like rich luxury vibes. It's a little bit mature. I feel like the rose in here makes it a bit more mature of a fragrance. Like I can't see an 18-year-old gravitating towards this one. It's definitely for the grown, but you guys, it is just very bright. It's very rich, elegant, sophisticated, something perfect. It's something perfect for the warmer months in my opinion. This is something that I could see you wearing like a big straw hat with your straw bag and a flowy dress. So yeah, this one's Elixir from Rose Perfumes. Next up is an Hermes fragrance. Now this one is called Jardin Sur La Lagoon. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. You guys, this is heavy on the powder. This is a powdery white floral. I get more of the powder than anything, but it's a very luxe powder scent. It smells very upscale. It's super soft as well, you guys. It does have a faint woodsy undertone in it, so if you're not crazy about woodsy scents, then you shouldn't be scared of this one. It's just enough to sort of ground the fragrance and give it something to stand on other than powder and the soft white florals, but it's very pretty. This is another fragrance that comes to mind when I think of vacation. It's sort of airy in a sense, so when I smell this, it just makes you think of warm weather. It makes you think of just wind hitting your face, having, you know, your door or windows open at your resort. It's a very ladylike scent. I used to be obsessed with this when I first got it, probably like 2 years ago. I wore it for like a month straight, but yeah, I'll probably be pulling this back out pretty soon, and it is beautiful. Comment down below if you've tried this before. This is another one that I feel like is a little bit more mature. I can't see like early 20s wearing this, although they may like it because it's very soft, but to me it still has a maturity to it. The next fragrance is from Guerlain's Aqua Allegoria line, and it's Peregranita. Now I do have a deluxe sample of this, but I thought why not let you guys know about this one as well, because I tend to take these size fragrances on vacation with me unless it's like one of these that's in the travel. I just find it much easier to travel with. This is perfect for vacation. It's very aquatic, like it doesn't smell like water, but it's sort of a watery light vibe like that. It's sort of floral, it's sweet, it's very feminine, soft, elegant. It just screams vacation to me. Next, we have a few rose fragrances. So the first rose fragrance I want to speak about is Exaltay from Fumi Monet. This is a beautiful rose ambery scent. It is gorgeous. Fumi Monet is actually a fragrance reviewer. She's really big on social media and does a lot of fragrance content. You guys, this is so gorgeous. This is a luxe, sweet, almost rosy, fruity, ambery scent. It is gorgeous. I can't say enough good things about this one. I feel like the age range of this would be for any age range. I don't think it's too mature, even though it's like super luxe. This is beautiful. I put this in the video because this is something I would definitely want to take on vacation with me, but this is something you could wear anywhere. I think this is something that you could wear like to a nice dinner. You could wear it to lunch. It's a really versatile type fragrance, but definitely something you'd be comfortable taking like on a summer vacation with you. The next fragrance is a little bit controversial, you guys. This is the Fenty Parfum. It gives sort of a licorice type scent. It has a very mature rose in this. It's very different, something super unique to my collection. This is one that some people may love and some people may hate, but it's a love for me. To me, this is a super sexy fragrance. It gives a bit nighttime in my opinion, so this is something that I could definitely see myself taking on vacation. Next up is another rose fragrance, and this is a fragrance that brought up the whole idea for me to do a vacation fragrance video, because when this came in the mail, it's from Scentbox. It's like Scentbird, a subscription, and so this was my monthly scent. And when this came in, Mr. was like, wow, that smells like something we could take on vacation. You guys, this is Madison Avenue from Bond Number 9, and this is a fruity sweet rose fragrance. It gives upscale, it packs a punch. This is a powerful scent. It's not overly powerful, like a choke you out, but it can. You don't need to spray too much of it, but it's elegant, it's heavy on the rose, it's sweet, it's a beautiful scent. I could definitely see myself taking this on vacation. It's a bit bright because it does have bergamot in it, and there's also praline in here that gives it sort of like that, you know, ambery sweet quality. This is a beautiful, very high quality. When you smell this, it smells like something very expensive. I do like to compare this one to My Way from Giorgio Armani. Although it smells different from My Way, it's that sort of floral, sweet, sort of packs a punch type fragrance like My Way. So if you own My Way or love My Way, then you would absolutely love Madison Avenue from Bond Number 9. Next fragrances are going to be some coconut fragrances. To me, these are a bit more safe, like mass appealing, that I think everybody could find an appreciation for unless you don't like coconut. And the first one is Alien Goddess from Mugler. This one's pretty, it's fresh, it's bright, it smells like coconut, it's sweet, it's a little floral, it's a pretty girl scent. It's soft, it's kind of airy, and because of that, I think this will be perfect to take on vacation. This is like a no-brainer to me. And the next one is kind of like Alien Goddess, the one I just showed y'all, but like beefed up on steroids, a little bit stronger, smells much more upscale and elegant. And this one is Tom Ford's Soleil Blanc. This one smells like fresh, clean coconut. It smells like a walk on a beach. It gives luxury resort. It smells just very expensive. This is a beautiful fragrance, but you gotta like coconut, kind of like the last one, in order to appreciate this one. It's beautiful. To me, this is like a vacation staple. So no matter which one you take with you, you might want to at least take a little travel size of Soleil Blanc with you from Tom Ford. This is a must-have. The last fragrance I wanted to show you is another one that I got from Scentbox. It was like my scent of the month for last month, and this is Herbapura from Xerjoff. Now this is a bit strong for me, but I wanted to mention it only because this gives vacation to me. This is a fruity fragrance that's super heavy on the musk. This is a beast mode fragrance that somebody will be able to smell you like 5-10 feet away from you. When you walk into a room, they're definitely going to smell you. It's a really beautiful, fruity, heavy on the musky type fragrance. It smells very upscale and luxury, but it's really, really strong, you guys. Some people really love it and some people don't. I like the scent of it, but it's a bit strong. So if you're into those sort of beastie fragrances and you love fruity and musky and expensive smelling, you will probably love this one. So that's it for my vacation fragrance recommendations. Comment down below and let me know what are some of those fragrances that would be your go-to to take on vacation. Every single fragrance that I mentioned today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. Just get to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars.